Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to set Telegram channel notifications to urgent, so you never miss important updates again. If you're part of active Telegram channels, you already know how easy it is for important messages to get buried under regular notifications. Setting your channel alerts to urgent ensures they stand out and grab your attention instantly. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app. On the main screen, tap the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the 3 horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Next, go to Settings. This is where you can control all your app preferences and notification behavior. Inside Settings, tap on Notifications and Sounds. Here, Telegram lets you customize alerts for messages, groups, and channels. Now tap on Channel. This section is specifically for managing how you receive notifications from Telegram channels. After that, tap on More Options. This opens additional customization settings that aren't visible in the main notification menu. Then tap on Priority. This is the key setting that controls how prominently your notifications appear on your device. Finally, choose Urgent. Once selected, Telegram will push channel notifications in a way that makes them more noticeable, helping you stay updated in real time. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've made sure your important channel messages won't be missed. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips to get the most out of the app.